Hi, here's an update on the laundry unit. The laundry unit has had some new shelves put in. We had some gracious donations of shelving and some donations of soap and supplies from the WMU at the association. We appreciate that. I've rearranged the back of it. The spare is now back here on the back strapped to the generator. I moved the generator back, and the hoses are now in these two tubs right here, and everything is stored away. The tables are there. We have a new countertop that we can use for folding, and so it's right there across from the dryers. In these tubs down here, we have 60 sets of towels, washcloths, and bath mats to use when we're deployed, and we supply towels to the units. Everything else you can see is now stored in these upper level shelves around the unit, and we've got our discharge hoses and fans and gas cans, things like that. So the washers and dryers pretty much the same. The Easy Up you can see is stored there in the center of the front of the trailer, and so we're all set to be deployed. Thought you might like to see this. We appreciate all the donations, and thank you very much.